Like the lightning-laden cloud, Nazrul arrived to pour new vitality into Bengali literature with his simple but powerful language. Nazrul, fifth son of Qazi Fakir Ahmed and Zahida Khatun, was born on the 23rd of May 1899 in Churulia, a village in Bardwan, West Bengal. Shershur Raj High School. Nazrul was granted a monthly stipend of 7 rupees by the local Raja. In 1914, the world was plunged into war. It gave Nazrul a chance of receiving a training in modern warfare, which he hoped to use eventually in the national struggle against the British. After training as a sepoy at Nausera, near Peshawar, he was posted to the 49th Bengali Regiment, headquartered in Karachi. Gradually, he rose to the rank of Havaldar. In 1919, when he was in the army, Bangiya Musalman Sahitya Patrika published his first poem, Mukti, meaning freedom. He steeped himself in the Persian poetry of Hafiz, which later he rendered into Bengali. This gave a fillip to the ghazal form in Bengali. In 1920, when the non-cooperation movement, side by side with the Khilafat movement, swept the whole country like a storm, Nazrul returned to Calcutta. He started editing Navyug, owned by A.K. Fazlul Haq. Nazrul was the first true rebel poet of this era. His pen spat fire. His first major work, Bidrohi, or Rebel, appeared in the January 1922 issue of Bijoli.
Balobir, Balo unnato mamoshir, Shirine hari amari noto shir, oi shikhar himadrir, Balobir, Balo mohabishir mohakash khadi, Chandra surja groho tara chhadi, Bhulok dulok golok bhediya.
Great warrior, shout, let your unvanquishable voice ring out. In one triumphant cry of blood and flame, proclaim, my head is held high, very high. No real warrior can ever die.
His poetry flowed through him like an unbridled tide, and that tide rose and rose through the voices of millions who rolled into battle like an ocean.
Durgamogiri kantaro morudustaro parabar, Longhite hobe ratri nishite jatrira hushiyar.
The road is rocky, rough and steep, the desert long and bare. We've got to cross at dead of night. Leader, beware. Does it matter if the dying be Hindus or Muslims? Brother, I only know they are equally victorious sons of one same glorious mother.
Duliteche tori fuliteche jal kandari hushiyar.
Ma holen mor mantra guru, Thakur holen Radha Shyam, Shyam Shyam, Yama Shyama mae bole joya. Kul makhluq yaji dhoni uthe ke na hoy, kalema shahadat bani tutte ke na.
In 1922, his Anandamoyi Ragumuni was published, a scathing attack on British rule and its lackeys.
আর কতকাল থাকবি বেটি মাটির ঢেলার মূর্তি আড়াল, স্বর্গ যে আজ জয় করেছে অত্যাচারী শক্তি চাড়াল, দেব শিশুদের মারছে চাবুক, বীর যুবাদের দিচ্ছে ফাঁসি, ভূভারত আজ কসাইখানা, আসবি কখন স্বর্গ.
Where is peace? Oh, where is peace? Dread mother, only your shattering axe can bring release.
আজ দানবের রংমহলে ৩৩ কোটি খাজা গোলাম, লাঠি খায় আর চেঁচায় শুধু, দোহাই হুজুর মোলাম মোলাম.
Nazrul was immediately arrested and tried in Bankshal Court in Calcutta. He was sentenced to a year's imprisonment and locked up in the Hooghly jail. The authorities meted out humiliating treatment to him. Nazrul went on hunger strike in protest. C.R. Das and others held public meetings to save Nazrul. Tagore sent him a telegram, "Give up hunger strike. Our literature claims you." Nazrul's mother came to see him in jail. He declined to meet her for fear she might persuade him to break both his fast and his resolve. She died before his release. Tremendous public pressure made him break his fast of 39 days. Nazrul married Kumari Pramila Sen Gupta on the 24th of April 1924, an intercommunal marriage, symbol of Hindu-Muslim unity, for which he fought all his life. Giribala Devi, Pramila's mother, an Orthodox Hindu widow, came to live along with her daughter in the Muslim household of her son-in-law. He wrote with passion and zeal. He lived and moved with the times. His writings had equal impact on intellectuals and the common man. Thus, he could be truly called the people's poet. Presiding over a public reception jointly organized by Hindu and Muslim literary circles of Calcutta, Mr. Wajid Ali said in his address, "You have poured power into us. You have thrilled our souls with vitality." Subhash Chandra Bose said, "Nazrul, a rebel to the bone, is easily our only poet of rebellion. We shall march to both prison and war with his songs on our lips." Lyricist, composer, and singer blended into one. He first trained singers in a gramophone company, then stage artists, and then artists of radio and film. Tagore, as a token of appreciation of Nazrul's fiery genius, dedicated his book Bashanto to him. To Rabindranath, Nazrul, by way of homage, dedicated Sanchita, a selection of some of his choicest poems. At the passing away of Tagore, found expression in Nazrul's Robihara, which his voice renders for us now.
শ্রাবণীর মেঘ ছুটে এলো দলে দলে উদাস গগন তলে বিশ্বের রবি ভারতের কবি শ্যাম বাংলার হৃদয়ের ছবি তুমি চলে যাবে বলে তোমার গরবে
Proud in our pride of you, we were immersed, forgetting hunger, poverty and thirst. Yea, we were proud with that enormous pride in which we thought forever to abide. O ever-burning sun, we looked on you as one who would not ever leave our side.
In July 1942, Nazrul fell seriously ill. His mind gradually became a blank. No treatment seemed to help. He stopped writing. He lost the power of speech. He could neither recognize nor remember.
যদি আর বাঁশি না বাজে, আমি কবি বলে বলছি না, আমি আপনাদের ভালোবাসা পেয়েছিলাম, সেই অধিকারে বলছি। আমায় আপনারা ক্ষমা করবেন, আমায় ভুলে যাবেন। বিশ্বাস করুন, আমি কবি হতে আসিনি, আমি নেতা হতে আসিনি।
I gave the love which I had come to give, but I received no love to make me live. So let me slowly and in wounded pride pass into the great ocean like a tide.
তোমাদের পানে চাহিয়া বন্ধু আর আমি জাগিব না, কোলাহল করি সারাদিন মান কারো ধ্যান ভাঙিব না। নিশ্চল নিশ্চুপ আপনার মনে পুড়িব একাকী গন্ধ বিধুর ধূপ।
On the 30th of June 1962, Nazrul's wife passed away. Qazi Nazrul Islam is more living today than it seems. He will always live
in the hearts of millions through his immortal poems and songs.
অসহায় জাতি মরিছে ডুবিয়া জানে না সন্তরণ কান্ডারি আজি দেখিব তোমার মাতৃ মুক্তিপণ হিন্দু না ওরা মুসলিম ওই জিজ্ঞাসে কুঞ্জন কান্ডারি বলো ডুবিছে মানুষ সন্তান মোরমার
চলে নওজওয়ান সঙ্গে পাখি আকাশ মৃত্যু তরল দুয়ারে দুয়ারে জীবনের আহ্বান ভাঙলে ভাঙা ঘর চললে চললে চল 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 চল
মহাবিদ্রোহীর অনক্লান্ত আমি সেই দিন হব শান্ত যাবে উৎপীড়িতের ক্রন্দন রোল আকাশে বাতাসে ধ্বনিবে না
War-weary rebel eye, there shall be no rest or peace for me until all cries of suffering cease, until from moans and groans all heaven finds release.